Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of hostile: unfriendly, antagonistic. For example, a hostile audience. American pronunciation: hostile, hostile. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Hostile. Say, hostile. Hostile means unfriendly. Hostile. Hostile. Hostile origin: late 16th century, from French or Latin hostilis, hostis is stranger enemy. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Interesting idea here. Why are the dogs antisocial, hostile, and aggressive? Now, repeat after me. Interesting idea here. Why are the dogs antisocial, hostile, and aggressive? The second practice. Fears of hostile crowds and attacks on the team evaporated early on. Now, repeat after me. Fears of hostile crowds and attacks on the team evaporated early on.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.